You might be wondering, do Facebook ads work? And I'm here to tell you, yes, they do. Facebook ads can turn social media users into your customers because they can reach the right people. I'll explain how this happens. If you've used Facebook before, I'm sure you've seen an ad that seems like it was made just for you. Maybe you like a lot of pages about music or shopping or sports. And then you see an ad from a business focused on one of those topics. When you or anyone on Facebook creates your profile and engages with the platform, you give Facebook valuable data about yourself that marketers can then tap into to create really targeted ad campaigns. Imagine what you can do with your business's Facebook ads. So many possibilities. In this video, I'll tell you all about how Facebook ads work, the different type of Facebook ads, and more. Keep watching. Why should you advertise on Facebook? Okay, I don't want to say everybody's doing it, so I won't. But a lot of businesses use Facebook. That number is actually over 140 million businesses. I guess another question is, do Facebook ads really work? I'll stick with my yes from earlier, but it also depends on your industry, your goals, and on average, Facebook ads do convert at a rate of 9 to 10%. You can try out our super awesome and free conversion rate calculator on our website. But back to the main question, are Facebook ads worth your money? Still, yes. Facebook is a big player when it comes to helping consumers decide what to buy. One survey says consumers are actually over 50% as likely to buy from a company they follow on Facebook over a bunch of other social media platforms. So if you want Facebook users to become customers, you should definitely consider advertising on the platform. Now you know how effective Facebook ads can be, but how exactly does Facebook help you reach your target audience? How do Facebook ads work? You can get pretty specific with your ad targeting on Facebook. This is one of the big advantages of advertising on Facebook compared to other platforms. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, there's a lot of audience data available to you if you advertise on Facebook. You can target people based on things like their demographics, location, interests, or even interactions with your business's website. Something really cool with Facebook ads is that you can create a custom audience based on a lot of different factors, like people's industries, relationships, life events, and more. So, if you share a life event saying you just had a baby, and then you start seeing ads for baby clothes, you know why. In addition, you can upload a list of customers who gave you their information on or offline to get even more specific. Facebook also has a piece of code that you put on your website called the Facebook Pixel. That can help you target people who interact with your site and your ads. And I've only just scratched the surface. Check out our Facebook Ads Manager blog post to learn more about setting up your ads. Now I'll talk about some of the different types of Facebook ads you can use. I'll also show you some Facebook ad examples so you know what your ads can look like. Photo ads. These ads can look like a typical Facebook post, and actually, if you make a regular post with an image and a status, you can choose to turn that into your ad. Video ads. You have some different options when creating Facebook video ads for your business. These ads can appear within a video someone's watching, in someone's feed, or even as a story. Carousel ads. A carousel ad lets a user scroll through up to 10 photos or videos from your company and click through to see if they're interested in what they see. Slideshow ads. Like a slideshow, this ad format lets you stitch together different photos or videos to get your message across and direct people to whatever landing page you may have. If you want to play around and see which ad types you like and which you don't, you can pop into Facebook's Creative Hub and make some mock-ups. There you'll have the option to design a bunch of different ads in whatever format you want to try. While creating the ad might be fun, you also have to consider how you're going to get those ads to the people who will engage with it and ultimately help you meet your business goals. Don't go anywhere, there's even more to how Facebook ads work. Next up is the cost of Facebook ads. The great thing about paying for Facebook ads is that you can set your budget so you're not forced to spend 10 times what you originally planned. Facebook ads appear because of an auction. Relevance, ad quality, and your bid are all important to Facebook when determining which ad should appear. Costs can vary depending on factors like your industry, the time of year, your ad objective, and other things, but what you decide to spend is really up to you. So, for example, if your goal is to get a purchase on your site from your ad rather than just some brand awareness, it's likely you'll be paying more because of the value of your goal. When you create your ads, you also choose a bid strategy. This depends on your goals and your budget. You can check out Facebook's entire bid strategy chart on their site, but I'll go over a few options here. Lowest cost. With lowest cost bidding, Facebook makes the bids for you based on what they see as the lowest cost opportunities for your ads. Bid cap. You choose your bid cap, meaning you set a limit for the max bid. Target cost. If you choose target cost bidding, you try to keep your bids at the same cost. Each bidding strategy has its pros and cons, so you have to decide what works best for your business. Check out our guide on Facebook advertising to learn more about the varying costs of Facebook ads. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope you have a better understanding of how Facebook ads work now. If you want to start advertising on Facebook, don't hesitate to reach out to us at 888-601-5359. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for more digital marketing videos like this one. We'll see you soon.